Happy Sunday, everybody. It's Alex with Master Odor Removal. We are in Hollywood at this beautiful 1930s home. You can see a lot different from the interiors we normally service, although we service luxury homes of all different types and styles. This is very similar to a Coconut Grove as well, style, old Spanish style. For extreme mildew, if not mold, we don't service mold, but it just smells like mildew. And you can see they had a leak in the roof, and they tried to remediate this area and get it going again. On a scale of 1 to 5, this is it's probably mold, to be honest with you. So we'll have to talk to the owner about that. You can see some rot right there in the wood. But this is a 5. This is it's horrible. It's gagging me. It's so strong and hot in here. They're not leaving the AC on, so it's becoming a petri dish each and every time the AC is not on. So there's 2 sides to the house. This is one side here, lots of books, and then the other side of the house is over there, I guess. I don't know, to be honest with you, because I haven't been over there, but I know there's 2 sides, and so we're here for a consultation. We're going to decide whether we want to service it or not. But at this point, without the roof being fixed, it's going to be a constant leak. And you can see here in the kitchen, again, lots of books, big odor magnets, lots of wicker. But you can see black mold right here growing out of the AC. That's not dust, that's mold. Anyway, so it is mold. It's mold and mildew, to be honest with you, both of them. But that's really basically it. We're going to see what kind of remediation we can help her with, or mitigation, because she uses several of these rooms as long-term rentals, and it's just way too musty. Nobody's going to want to sleep here or stay here. So that's really basically it. We are luxury home odor removal specialists, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.